How to link your EA account to your Xbox or PlayStation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link your EA account to PlayStation or Xbox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up a web browser and simply search for EA. After you do that, tap on enter and there you should find the EA homepage. You can just open that up. After you open that up, you should get an option to log in into your accounts. So tap on the profile button on the top right corner, and after you do that, tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you should get to the sign in option right here. Now, all you have to do is choose which you want to sign in with. Right here, you'll find Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. Now, since in this video we are talking about Xbox or PlayStation, simply choose either one of these, and after you choose either one of these, all you have to do is log in using that very account. So all you now have to do is sign in using your PlayStation right here, type in your email address, then tap on next, and then just type in the password, and then you're good to go. If you want to do it with the Xbox, simply choose the Xbox box option. It's the same process. So right here you will see your Xbox access. If you tap on accept, now you have linked your EA account with your Xbox. And basically, it's that simple. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.